iPhone 13 Pro Max with a cracked back glass. We use a laser machine to remove the broken glass safely and avoid any risk to the internal components. Once the laser process is complete, we move on to the next step. Cleaning stage. At this stage, we open the phone and carefully disconnect the display to clean the internal area after removing the cracked glass. While go inside phone, we remove all small glass fragments to keep the device clean and prevent any future damage. Reassemble the phone. We apply new adhesive and install the new back glass cover. Don't forget to reinstall the magnetic pieces. Finally, we perform a full inspection and clean the edges carefully. iPhone 13 Pro Max looks and works like new.